In this video, we will show you how to replace your third brake light assembly on this Ford F-150. This will be mounted to the back side of your cab. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. To remove the third brake light assembly, we're going to start with the 4 mounting bolts that are holding it in place. Use a T20 Torx head for these. Inspect your hardware, replace as necessary. Let's take hold of the assembly. We're going to give it a wiggle, separating it from the body of the vehicle, but keep in mind that there is still a wiring harness along the backside. Now that we have that off of the body of the vehicle, we're going to follow the wiring harness down inside this area. If you were looking up along the top area, you're going to find these 2 plastic tabs. Those plastic tabs are attached to a plastic apparatus that's holding the wiring harness in place. Typically, you just reach right down underneath this area. You're going to find the locking tab for the electrical connector, press it in, and disconnect it. Ours has a lot of slack. And it looks like it's already been apart, so let's pull it out where we can see it. Right along here is where that locking tab is, so I would typically just reach right inside that port, press this in. This part right here will be held still. You can slide that right out. A quick inspection of both ends. And there it is, friend. We'll use some glass cleaner directly on a rag, wipe down the mating surface, close inspection to make sure nothing's rotted, weak, or damaged in any way. Now in most cases for this electrical connector, you'd want to carefully bring this down inside that port and slide it in. We would have that locking tab facing straight towards the rear of the vehicle, just like this. Press it right in, make sure it's locked. As you saw, our electrical connector is already pretty much out in the open here, so it's a little easier to do. Just press that right in there. Listen for a click, a light tug. Now, since our connector piece right here does look like it's broken, it's not going to slide back on here. If yours wasn't broken, typically you can just go ahead and press it right back on if it did dislodge. Let's go ahead and press this right inside here and continue on with our installation. Bring this up into position along the body of the vehicle. Continue on with your 4 mounting bolts. Start them in, then you can snug them up. Using our T20, let's snug them up. Okay friend, we finished our installation. The next thing you need to do is test the functionality. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.